biggest tips to scaling your artwork. You're gonna love it, and it actually totally changed my artistic career, so I can't wait for you to tune into that and watch it all the way to the end so you can see all the tips and what kind of projector we use. We can't wait to see you get started with a projector in your studio. My name's Brandy Hofer. Thank you so much for being here. I sure do appreciate your time. And if you love this video, give us a thumbs up or subscribe. You can also find a ton more information on painting portraits in our free tips bundle. So check that out. The link is below for you to get that and sign up today at brandyhofer.ca. So check this out. Thanks again for being here and enjoy this video. Here we are starting out with our projector on our prepped and ready surface that we stretched and laid out on our studio floor and used our stretching process to staple onto the wall, all of which you can find in our techniques in our large scale portrait class. The type of projector we like to use, it's from 2018, is an autograph projector. We really love it, but there's a ton of options out there now since, of course, we bought ours, so be sure to try to find the best option for you if you're just starting out and if you're just working in studio. I would just recommend getting something off of Amazon because it's more affordable. Here we are coming on the canvas straight on the hard surface of the wall with our Prismacolor pencil crayons, and we're marking out the darkest areas with a really dark shade like dark brown, black, or navy, and just getting all those landmarks in as fast as we can. We usually like to do this in one go so we don't have to come back to it or lose our place. Make sure you start out by marking your place and marking where your projector is just in case it does shut off or you do have to come back to it later. It actually turns out really, really beautiful. We love this sketching stage, but of course it mostly gets covered up by paint later on. Using a projector is definitely not cheating. Even Da Vinci used a form of a projector, and that's why his drawings and paintings were so precise. It will fast track you and take you way less time to get everything in place. It will save you a lot of time and energy and frustration, and we really love ours. We discovered using one years and years ago, and it totally changed our whole artistic practice. And in fact, once we did invest in a projector, we started taking on large-scale murals, and our artograph was perfect for working in low-lit situations outside for our murals, and it has totally expanded our art practice financially by 394% for our net profits. So we encourage anyone to explore murals and take their projector, and they can reach bigger heights in their art practice, get more exposure, grow their audience through public art. Let us know if you have any questions anytime. We are good at answering messages at Brandy Hofer Studios on Instagram. Feel free to share what you have on our Feel free to join our Color Me Happy community on Facebook, where we feature members every weekend on our Color Me Happy podcast. And you can also subscribe to our weekly newsletter, Weekly Inspiration, at brandyhofer.ca. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is so exciting and fun and full of more free videos like this. That's Brandy Hofer Studios, Color Me Happy. So you can find us under Color Me Happy anywhere. We also have a book, Color Me Happy, See Your Everyday Ordinary as Extraordinary, which I think you will love to check out. We've got 5 out of 5 stars on Amazon. People love it, and it will definitely uplift you. So we're so glad you're here. Thank you for your time. We sure do appreciate it, and we can't wait to chat and engage with you more. And who knows, maybe you can get featured on our podcast or in our Color Me Happy community. Whatever it is, we will cross paths soon, and we will chat soon, friend.